You know, I watch a lot of these crime shows now on TV, like for instance, they got that show, The First 48. You know, I love that show. It amazes me how you got these young guys committing these crazy crimes. You know, killing people, murder. I mean, just like they don't have a heart. You know, I know in the back of your mind, you know, you're thinking that, well, eventually I just might get caught, and eventually I might go to jail. And you know what? In a lot of cases, that don't deter you. But will this deter you? Getting fucked in your ass. Because that's what's going to happen to you. You're going to get fucked in your ass. You're probably going to be sucking multiple dicks. I mean, I don't know how you feel about sex with man on man. I don't know how you feel about that. But if you think that's uncool, that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be sucking some serious dick once you get to jail. And you're going to be getting fucked in your asshole once you get to jail. Now, you know, I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know. I know your mom, she's not telling you that. She's saying don't commit crime because it's wrong. You know, don't disrespect people because it's wrong. I'm saying don't do it if you don't want to find yourself on your knees someplace sucking some big black man's dick. That's all I'm saying. That's my warning to you.